लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु। लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु। लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु। लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु।
Seva International is a non-profit service organization currently active in 20 countries. Our main mission is to serve people in distress, especially during the natural disaster. Currently, Seva is serving in 20 countries, and so far we have served across 36 natural disasters in various countries, and we still have some development programs going on in countries like Colombia, Kenya, Japan, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and many more. Seva International is committed to serve India during our Help India Defeat COVID-19 campaign that we have launched recently. Here we are going to target multiple projects based on the short-term, mid-term and long-term goals. In collaboration with Lok Kalyan Samiti and Seva Bharati, we have identified around 365 low-income neighborhoods across Nagpur. We divided these areas into 12 divisions, and we targeted some most impacted vulnerable families out of these communities and supported them with essential kits and health and hygiene kits. Health and hygiene kits that we distributed in these communities, which consisted of various multivitamins and zinc supplements that can help boost your immunity. So far we have distributed around 1500 such kits in different areas in Nagpur, and we have also distributed few of them in the outskirts of Nagpur and the tribal areas. We have also supported the blind communities in some parts of the Nagpur, and we are continuing the effort to support multiple communities including the senior citizens, widows, women, orphanages, transgender and red light areas in coming future. We also use this opportunity to create the vaccination awareness among these communities. We identified that most of these areas were unaware of lot of details on how to manage the COVID-19 pandemic, and there were no social distancing norms that were followed in these communities, and no one was wearing a mask. So using these drives, we tried to create that awareness in these communities. We also created the awareness to wear the mask, and we provided masks and sanitizers with our kits to support our awareness campaign.
या जीवन आपुले सार्थ करा रे, राष्ट्रभक्ती निस्वार्थ करा रे, एकजुटीने कार्य करा या देशाचे.
As you all are aware, we have seen a surge in COVID cases in India in last few weeks, and there has been acute shortage of oxygen all over India. So during these times we have seen that oxygen concentrators have been proved as life-saving critical equipment, and therefore Seva International has taken up this initiative to procure and deliver these oxygen concentrators all over India to help fight the second wave of COVID. In Nagpur, we have divided the city and suburbs into 12 areas, and we have set up oxygen concentrator banks in these areas, and we are delivering around 150 oxygen concentrators to these banks. Few have been delivered to rural areas like Gadchiroli and Yavatmal. We are also distributing oximeters in these areas and supporting COVID care centers as well. Through these oxygen concentrator banks, we are providing oxygen concentrators for home isolation and to COVID care centers. This initiative has helped us to relieve burden on medical infrastructure in our city in Nagpur.
So during the second wave surge of COVID-19, some government hospitals in Nagpur approached Seva International to provide them infrastructure support because they were running very short on beds. Seva International went ahead and made custom-made stretchers that they donated to Government Medical College of Nagpur. These stretchers are custom-made so that they can carry oxygen concentrators with them, and they are made so spacious that they can be used as regular beds as well. Seva International donated 15 such stretchers to GMC Nagpur. These stretchers have helped immensely to all the patients to actually carry them or transfer them from one ward to another during the peak crunch time of second wave. Each of these stretchers have helped at least 15 to 20 patients every day during the peak COVID surge at Government Medical College Nagpur, and even in the future they'll continue to support and help a lot of patients suffering from COVID or any other diseases.
Seva International serves the community on our dharmic principle that serving humanity is serving divinity, and we also think that serving together we serve better. So we are partnering with around 145 partners across India to support us to tackle this COVID crisis. We have currently 1,000 plus volunteers plus staff who are working on the ground to support us with this Help India Defeat COVID campaign. Together we serve better.